So we're loaded up and fueled up, heading to Palmerston North from Huntly. Why I've chosen to do this on my motorbike I'm still not quite sure, because it's supposed to be snowing on the desert road. You can see it is clearly raining, and only probably an hour and a bit into my ride, I am still dry, but my feet and my hands are not. Let's had a quick stop, got some merino socks and a glove change. I usually carry three pairs of gloves whenever I'm travelling anywhere for this exact scenario. She's fairly wet and best described as not warm, but that's alright, we're out there doing it, man. In Tamarunui for a bit of a coffee break. Like I said before, no breakfast, no lunch, just cappuccino and a sausage roll. Bloody mint. Rightio, so we're just leaving Tamarunui after a nice cup of coffee, nice hot cup of coffee and sausage roll. So heading towards National Park on the eastern side of the mountain, and the latest reports are that it is snowing on the desert road, which is on the opposite side of Mount Ruapehu to where I am. That doesn't mean much. That doesn't mean that I won't get snowed on either, but let's see what happens. Currently following alongside the Wanganui River, which starts west, I think, of Tamarunui. If I'm wrong, it'll pop up on the screen. So to my left, which will be your right, is the start of the Wanganui River, which of course flows through to Wanganui and then out into the Tasman Sea. Just coming into a little settlement called Owhango. Now this is the ending of the 42nd traverse, which I was going to do, but there is a slip blocking it and it's closed to motorcycles and four-wheel drives. So you turn left there, Omaki Road. Mountain bikes can go through, but not four-wheel drives and motorbikes, so they've cut a track through the bush. But I'm going to have a look at that on the way back. Four-wheel drives, motorbikes can enter at either end at the moment. Usually it's one way. This is according to their website. So we might have a look at that on the way back if time permits. Today's Thursday. I've got to be back home Sunday afternoon. Commitments that I need to get some things organised on Sunday before I head away on Monday. Confusing, I know, that's my life. One big confused mess. Okay, so we're coming up to a little area known as Raurimu. Now Raurimu has an engineering marvel in terms of railways. Chuck it into your Google and have a look. But basically what happened is the main trunk railway line comes through here, and the geographical nature of the land around here was too hard to put a tunnel through. Oh, the list went on and on of things that they thought of, and then they said, well, let's just build a spiral around the hill, and that's what they've done. I would stop, but as you can see, guess what? It's still raining. So yes, chuck it into your Google and have a look. It's very cool, very, very cool. It looks like my helmet camera's battery has gone flat, so you just have to put up with seeing my beautiful face. So it's coming into National Park now. This is the gateway to all the North Island ski fields. To my left we've got all the names of the places escape me. I'm not much of a skier. So over to the left we've got Whakapapa, Turaa ski fields, that's right. There's some others maybe, someone will correct me. And I'm not sure, you won't be able to see it because only one camera's going. But over to my left, about a K away, is snow on the hill. And I can tell you the temperature has dropped significantly. Oh shit. Oh shit. To give you some idea how cold it is actually out there, riding along, the temperature gauge is saying 54 degrees, and when I flick back through to the display, there's not even a line on the temperature gauge. So yes, oh, the things we do. Anyway, okay, so we're heading down this big hill, and there's one of the biggest viaducts in the North Island, I think. Looks pretty bloody big to me anyway. Because my front camera's died, you just have to be content with me going underneath it and looking back at it. Holy hell, it's got cold. Just coming up to the viaduct now. I'll duck under it and you'll be able to see it. There it is, up there. subscribe.